This is how to start a conversation with someone you've never met before. Start off by making eye contact, then say a greeting. It could be something as simple as, "Hello." Next, introduce yourself and find out the other person's name. Then, find a common topic to talk about. Topics could include the weather, school or work, sports or hobbies, mutual friends, food, or anything else you can think of. Keep the conversation going by listening to what they have to say and respond accordingly. If the conversation starts to die out, explore other common topics. End the conversation by telling them it was a pleasure meeting them, and if appropriate, ask them for their contact information.